So guys, hold the shift key on your keyboard and click the power button, forcefully power button, and then restart. But don't release your shift key. Okay, after you will come this screen. Okay, then click on troubleshoot, then advance, and then command from. Okay, so this black screen, it will open it. Then I'll show you, I'll give you the command of very important. Enter this command. Okay, and then hit enter. So in my system, so showing is can't be found, but if you have a hello pin options in your system, laptop and desktop, so you can fix this issue. Now second command, this path I will give in description, so you can type manually. Then guys, enter the upper arrow, so it will come same command. Okay, so remove this, okay, ngc space slash grant space administrator column f space slash t. Okay, and one more thing, remove this and type ICACLS and then hit enter. Okay, then again type the upper arrow, remove back file, okay, space, then type ngc dot old. Okay, and then come on first, remove this. Okay, type REN. Okay, and this is a space and then hit enter. So no worry about it, because of this is I am testing on this system, but this command it will work in 100%. After doing that, choose the new window, restart normally. Okay, and you should now promoted to set new pin. Okay, yeah, and then close it. After that, click to continue. After that, it is start and just enter. Now your system is started. Okay, yeah, thank you. If your issue is not resolved, so please comment me. I will guide you step by step. Okay, thank you.